Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In last tutorial we have seen how to model this rod end and sleeve. In this tutorial we'll learn how to model this Cotter. For that, first go to the Creo Parametric software, go to new, here choose part, solid and tick this use default template, save OK. And here you choose part solid absolute, say OK. Here you switch on all the planes and axis. Now see, this is our model. Now our model is Cotter. So for that I'm just taking the front plane, sketch view. First draw the center line, this vertical center line, and this one is horizontal center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now we'll draw a line. Just simply draw a line. Make this line symmetric. For that, click the symmetric tool. This point, and this axis. Then it will become symmetric about the horizontal center line, and press the roller to confirm. Then double click this value, this height is 90. Then go for fit screen. Then simply draw these lines. This one is the incline line, and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This distance is 35. And this dimension we need to specify. Instead here it is coming angle. Go for dimension, click this one, press the roller here. This dimension is 32. So here it is 35 and here it is 32. Then we need to create this arc. For that, go to arc, use 3-point tangent end, click here and again then press the roller and come out from this arc. First click here. Now just go here, take 3-point arc. I'm just trying here. Yes, like this you draw it. Similarly, just yes, now it is coming. So just set this arc, press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the height. Here you just specify radius as 32. Here also you specify the radius the same 32. Because we have given the same, just equal distance you delete it. This is to make it 35. Then remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Use this delete segments, remove this one and this one. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the complete sketch. Then save OK. Then go for extrude. Just rotate and make it symmetric. The thickness of the extrusion is 7.5. This one is the 7.5. And press the roller to confirm. Now we have a plane here and plane mid to this. Then we just want to make round here as well as here. For that, just go to the round, this one, press the Ctrl and select this edge, select all the edges. These edges, you remove it. Only these 4 edges you select it and specify the radius, which is 7.5 divided by 2. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly, here we need to make edge round. For that, select this one, select this edge. This also is 7.5 divided by 2. Similarly, here also select this, press the Ctrl and select this edge also. Here also 7.5 divided by 2. Select the OK to confirm it. Now we have created this Cotter. For easy understanding of Cotter, just go to the View, Appearance, take any one of the color. I am just taking the blue color. Here is the length of 35. I am just giving a color here 35, and this edge is the flat straight line edge. So press the Ctrl and select these 2 surfaces and give color. So while assembling it, it will be easy to assemble the component. Now just save this file. Just go to the file, save as, save a copy, same location. Now just saving as Cotter 3_Cotter_1. Now just go to the file, close.